Hello everyone, and welcome to the daily webinar. So I have decided to share with you a little bit more and with some more updates for the current day. And yeah, I will be there every day in this time. I will share the webinar with you. So feel free to ask anything. Use the live chat for those who are watching me on YouTube. Use chat there, and those who are watching me on TradingView, feel free to use chat as well. So let's go, let's see what we are currently having. There are some setups that already jumped in the morning. We took some trades, but there is still some opportunity to catch. So let's see what the dollar index is doing currently. So if you watch this bigger picture on 4 hour, what the chart is trying to do, this, if it holds the trend line, then we may consider that we are having a contracting flag, and we will go for one more wave to the upside. To share with you a little bit more, and so what you'll have to do, wait for the flags on the way to the upside in case if this happens. But we are not for this now. Okay, in the morning there was the flag where you're supposed to take a sell. Okay, so there is the flag and you have to take a sell over there. Okay, that was the selling flag. This could be a trade only for a day. Okay, it could be daily trade, or if it breaks down, then we will hold. Okay, so we all have to hold those trades. Pound USD for the upside, Euro USD for the upside. Okay, so let me just quickly jump to them. Okay, so here it is. This is the trade. There it was the flag. If you took a buy, and it's just going. Okay, so we want to see now the continuation and keep on pushing higher. So how far it can go? It can go back at the previous high. Okay, this will be the trade. And those who are not in, you will be able to catch a trade on 5 minute to 15 minute there during the day. If it goes up, correction, up, correction, up, correction. Okay, so just follow it all the way back to the previous high. Okay, this will be your job, what you will have to do, something like this. And pound USD, same there. This one has already jumped as well. As you can see, there was some flat over there and just started to push it. Okay, so we are getting some volatility over there already. How far it can go? It can just keep on dragging higher. Okay, everything now relies on the DXY. If DXY will break the downside, then yes, you can keep on buying the Euro USD and pound USD. Okay, search for 5 to 15 minute flags for the buy. Okay, both of them same. Okay, just follow it. But we will see. Yeah, okay, we'll see. I think we have chances to break to the downside. Okay, I don't think that this is the running flat and it will just continue to the upside. Okay, at least not for now, until I will see the flag over there for buy. Then I will change my mind, and then I will relook at the structure and watch for this picture, for this possibility. But for now, until I don't have the buy setup, I will be keep on holding or keep on sticking for this sell setup. Okay, everyone should do the same. Stick to the sell setups. But buy flag will change everything. Okay, if it appears there in case. Aussie USD, what we are having over there, same there. This could continually pushing higher. Okay, there's a little bit different picture. Okay, that picture is a bit different. This is trying to form the bottom, and we will start pushing higher. Okay, so it can struggle there a couple more hours, but the main wave will be to the upside. As I can see, there's no momentum for sell, and I would rather stick to the buy stops. Okay, there was the sell stop, but that sell stop is supposed to be close on the break even. Okay, right? Or if you took it, put it on break even as fast as you can. It ain't gonna last longer, and it could start reversing really fast. So yeah, protect yourself in case if you are in the sell. I don't see there the continuation to the downside, at least not yet. Okay, price is too slow momentum for dragging lower. Aussie yen, this one will still go to the upside at any time soon. We just need to find the low, and then it will just keep on starting. It will keep on pushing higher. Okay, we will be repeating this trend to the upside. Okay, so how far? Let's see the daily picture. Yeah, it's possible that we will go back at those tops. Okay, this possibility exists, but nothing yet. Nothing is there yet. Okay, so nothing is there yet. We don't have any buy flag, no buy opportunity, so wait. Okay, nothing for today. Probably we will be struggling there today whole day, and then tomorrow we may see some buy flags, but leave it for now. Aussie Chief, what we are having over there, let's see. This could be all the correction. Okay, so this could be all the correction. We can start pushing higher. Okay, we can start pushing higher. This is the quite strong impulsive movement. So what we are having now, they're inside of this structure. Yeah, we can form a new low and then it will start pushing higher. Okay, so but for now wait. Okay, wait, there is no buy flag. If this corrects over there, yes, you can go for the sell, take a short-term sell, breaking low, take off your profit, and we will start watching for the buy. Okay, so this will be only the daily trade. Morning, are you going to be covering crypto today? Yes, we will have a look on crypto, no worries. Okay, let me just quickly rewatch those Forex charts and then we will take a look on crypto. Aussie cat, I will quickly go through those setups which are not ready. I don't want to waste time. Okay, we want to focus on the setups that are ready and that they are worth of talking about. Okay, so Aussie cat, nothing special. If this corrects there, take a sell. Aussie New Zealand, it's keep on drawing lower. There was the flag and keep on drawing lower. If you're not in the trade, leave it alone. Okay, that's not a setup for us now to add more trades. Okay, there was some sell setups, but now it's gone. Okay, so move on. New Zealand USD, if USD drops slower than this, we'll keep on pushing higher. Okay, this could be some sort of, I don't know, contracting flat maybe. Let's see. But for now, this looks like a sell. Okay, this looks like a sell. If I was you, I will only watch for the strong break to the downside. Okay, so only strong break to the downside is what I will be watching there. New Zealand Chief, this could go higher. Okay, so let me just borrow those trend lines from over there. And what is the setup? Okay, so this is the setup. Okay, expanded flat is what I see there, so you can watch to buy above the high. Okay, so watch to strong break to the upside. This pattern is completed for me. Okay, if you watch the higher time frame picture, you can see that we are already breaking out of this daily correction. Okay, daily correction, we are breaking out, and what we are having currently there is this. Okay, we are correcting over there outside of this daily correction. This is the first correction, and now we are also having one expanded flat over there. Yeah, it's worth of trying it, so keep an eye there, watch for the strong break to the upside. I will keep my alarms over there, would love to be notified to see the momentum. Okay, we will not put an order already, so yeah, let's see how that's gonna break to the upside. Strong breaks above the high. Can this still go to downside? Yes, this can go upside. Okay, you will be able to catch that buy. You have to put it in break even. Possibility still exists, it will drop down. That ain't gonna indicate that this will reverse. It will still be the upside. Okay, it will just form the running flat and then they will go. Okay, then they will push aggressively to the upside. So don't be confused by one red candle which can appear over there. I mean, same like this one. If it appears, you know what to do. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Get out of this buy on break even, get out, and you will be back into the trade later on. Okay, so easy. New Zealand yen, nothing there. There is the correction in the making, so I can still see that this is the first movement. Second, now this is trying to do whatever it wants to do, and then we will have a buy. Okay, we'll see, but I will not be trading there inside of this correction. Okay, so until we are in this sideways movement, I'm not interested to take trades, and you're also supposed to not be a trader over there. Okay, that could be confusing, and there's no money. Okay, you ain't gonna make money there inside of this sideways movement or inside of this structure. New Zealand cat, what is there? Okay, so I do not recommend you going for buy, but I can still see that there's one more buy. Okay, one more buy which I will be ignoring. Okay, my traders will be ignoring also this one. We are not interested for that kind of the setups, those small setups, and yeah, we will just leave them alone. We will be sticking to the sell once it will appear. It's nothing yet there. Your chief, Okay, there could be a big change. Okay, big change can appear over there. I think that then this could be completed. Okay, so let me show you. This is just the part of the structure. Okay, I think that this is the first wave to downside. Now we are in the second, third wave is missing, and then we'll be finally going to the upside. Okay, so we have to slightly change the picture. We've been watching it for the sell, but sell it's not yet there. Okay, so what we have to do is watch for the buy. Can this go from there now? Yes, but not far. Okay, don't be frustrated. This will go a little bit higher. It still has to drop, and then they will go. Okay, just in the terms of running flat, and then they will continue to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye there. Buy stop, it's already in the making over there. You can try. Okay, you can go. This will be the daily trade over there. You can see the flag is in the making, I mean expanded flat. So if you would love to go for this trade, you can go, but be aware around the previous high. We want to break it aggressively, then this will be the running flat. Take off your profit, it's gonna go drop, giving you big running flat, and then they will go. Okay, so keep in mind, take a screenshot so you will know what the price will do. I will put it with the green, so if anyone of you wants to take it, you can take it, but be fast. Okay, you have to be fast, you have to watch it and see how if it starts to turning, then you have to close it on a break even. Okay, simple. Your cat, I think that will be the buy. Okay, one more buy will appear over there. Just a second. Yeah, there is the sell going lower maybe, and then just go to the upside. Okay, don't trade it. Okay, I will only watch for the sell stops. I will let them drop. I will wait for the correction. I will take the trade. Okay, so don't trade there inside of this structure. You can be a buyer somewhere there if you find the flag back at this top, breaking this top, and then turning to the downside. Okay, so something like this is what you can have there during the week maybe. Okay, I don't think that this will appear today. Okay, don't think so. Your USD is going already. If you took it, watch it. Okay, watch it. Some of my traders took it. I have posted this setup early in the morning, so we have our eyes there now. Okay, we want to see this continuously pushing higher. We don't want to see any reversals over there. If that starts to reverse, then yes, we will start watching for sell. Okay, and then the DXY will turn to the upside instead of the downside. Okay, so there it could be a small change during the day today, and we have to react. Okay, we have to be there, we have to watch the chart. We can't just forget on the chart over there where it is right now. Okay, so eyes are there for you. Euro yen, that looks like a buy. Yeah, this could start pushing higher. Okay, so we could be in this big expanded flat there. If you find any buy stops, try to take it back at the trend line, and it can even keep on pushing higher. Okay, so this is what you can have there, so your eyes are there. I don't think this will go lower. In case if it will go, there will be the sell, correction, and then to go lower. Okay, so something like this, drop, correct, and then they will go. Okay, so same there, drop, correct, then they will go. Okay, so for now, until we don't have this movement, we are not gonna watch for the sell. Euro Aussie, those who take a buy, you take it, great. Now we watch for the sell. Okay, so we have to watch for the sell. This is what the price can do. It can struggle there a little bit, and then the sell will kick in. Okay, so the sell will kick in. Everyone wants to catch this sell. Why? This is the big sell over there which is trying to appear. Let me just pull the trend line over there. Okay, so at least back at the trend line, and the possibilities exist that we will be breaking down. Okay, we'll be breaking out of this structure, and there's a lot of pips to be made. Okay, so I think that there is 700 pips to be made with only single trade. So it's worth of watching it and waiting for the sell stops. Okay, let this correction do whatever it wants to do. It can stay there, something like this. Okay, so going up, going down, going up, and then they will go. Okay, Euro GBP, nothing there yesterday. We've been watching this as a running flat, drops down, it's not moving anywhere, and we are having the change now. Okay, so we are having the change. There is the flag over there. It could push for one more high, and then we'll see. Okay, flag for the buy, it's over there. How far or what it could appear? Okay, so something like this before the will drop. Here in New Zealand, I think the running flat is in the making over there. Okay, so keep an eye there. Running flat is there, and then they will go. Okay, what you want to see? Flags for the sell over there before you will start selling, or watch this low over there. Strong break to downside. Euro Nokian already breaks, so do we have any opportunity to take a sell? There was the flag. Okay, so keep an eye there, watch it to keep on pushing lower. Euro Polish Zloty, leave it. Okay, leave it, let's do whatever it wants to do. It's struggling there. Okay, so if it drops down, then yes, if you will see the running flat, then you can take this trade. Otherwise, leave it. Pound USD, keep on pushing higher. If it will be pushing more during the day, and if you find any lower time frame buy flags, take it. Okay, take it. It can drag higher back at this high, so over there, back at the previous. You see, we want to see the break of this high. Why? Because this is the 1, 2, 3 flag. Okay, this flag needs to be broken, and then we will be pushing lower. So watch for your buy stops over there today. Pound chief setup, it's still there, nothing has changed. Okay, so some of you have been asking me about this breakout of that trend line. Okay, so breaking out of this trend line doesn't mean anything. Okay, so it doesn't mean totally anything, because we are not relying on the trend lines. Trend lines are only there to mark the patterns. Okay, but yeah, setup, it's still there. We didn't trigger any trade yet. Why we didn't? There wasn't any sell setup. Okay, so there wasn't any sell setup there inside. If you watch the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there is no sell setup in the making. Okay, so there was only struggling to the upside slowly, and I think we'll see the dying out of the momentum. Can this break to the upside totally? Yes, it can. If this goes now like this, going lower, take this low, then you can consider taking buy. Okay, so you can have a try and take this buy to the upside. Okay, so if you do remember, going lower, taking this low, and then boom, one more high, then you will see still downside. Yeah, okay, so keep an eye there during the day. Don't buy. Okay, this is not a buying opportunity. Let it do whatever it wants to do, going lower without you, and then you can go for the buy. If you find the sell stop, even better. Okay, even better. Pound New Zealand, watch for the sell stops. These two keep on dragging lower and break out. Pound Aussie went for one more high today, and yeah, I think that this will still go lower. Okay, watch for the sell stops. We still has to come lower. Still has to come lower, something like this, and yeah, these two keep on dragging lower. I don't think that this is the high. If we come back at this high, then this will be the big flat over there, and this big flat will identify that we will going for one more high over there before we will see the sell. Okay, so keep an eye. It's really important what the price will do right there and which structure will appear. Pound cat, it's struggling. There was some small sells which has to be taken out on the break even, and let's see what we are having currently on there. Hello, Vasilio. Don't trade there. Okay, so it's not tradable. I don't see that this is completed. Okay, or how far does it goes? This could be quite tricky trade, so I don't recommend you, but you can buy above the high. This could be some sort of the contracting flat and to go higher, but I don't see this trade over there. Okay, it's not looking good. Pound yen will go lower definitely. Now this is the structure over there. We can connect the trend line and we will be watching for the sell stops. Okay, it can stay there a couple more days and then they will start going lower. I don't recommend you going for the buy stops over there. Buy stops are really risky and really short term. Okay, one single spike can take you out there and you will have a losing trade instead of be profitable. Okay, so stay away from the pound yen. CAD yen looks good. Okay, this is looking good sell. Okay, this flag needs to be breaking aggressive at the downside, then you can take some sells. Okay, so CAD yen is showing a nice sell over there. Let me move on 1 hour. Yeah, if this breaks to the downside, then this will be a nice trade. You can watch it. Okay, so watch it during the day today. CAD chief, there is the running flat. Okay, so running flat, impulse running flat. So how far does it goes? Back at the top. Okay, so what we are having currently on there, there's the running flat again. Okay, so running flat is there. So what you can do, keep an eye there for the strong break to the upside. Okay, definitely you can have a try by buying it. And these to keep on pushing higher. Okay, for me this is the running flat and it's a good opportunity. Chief yen, good one as well. Let it do whatever it wants to do and then sell. How far does it go? Yeah, potential is there. Potential is there, so let me just take off this. It just yeah, if this goes, let me see the 1 hour. Yeah, this is a good trade. Watch it for strong break to the downside. Chief knock-in, this is already breaking, so if you took it, great. Okay, this will keep on dragging lower. Okay, this was the sell stop. Okay, this was the sell stop. How far does it goes? It can keep on pushing lower. Okay, if it starts to reverse, then take it off. Okay, but good luck to you, those who take it, just go for it. USD chief, nothing is there. Okay, so leave it. Okay, there was a couple of sell stops, so nothing yet there. I will leave them alone. We'll wait this one to go for one more high, then we may consider some selling. Okay, one more wave to break this top and then I will watch for the sell stops. So slowly, don't rush, let it do whatever it wants to do. USD needs to go higher, but the sell stop is forming over there. Okay, so I will not go for the sell over there. This can go only back at the trend line and then the buy will still kicks in. So slowly, I will be a seller only if it breaks out correct there, then we will start selling it. Okay, until we are there in this consolidation there above the trend line, we will stay buyers. Okay, so don't rush. USD same there, break above the high will drag this pair to the upside. If it drops lower, correct there, it will drag lower. Why this has the two side direction? Because if this is all the correction, then we are going to the downside. If not, then we will go back at the top and make a flat. Okay, so this could be the first impulsive movement, this could be running flat over there, and this could be the third movement. So let's say like this, 1 2 3, and the inside is also 1 2 3. Okay, I think it's 1 2 3, and then this is the high and we are going back ahead and breaking the low. Okay, but the momentum is not there. We'll see basically during the day today. If it breaks, corrects, then yes, we are going for this kind of the movement. If not, then this all it's still in the correction and we are going for this impulse over there. Back at the top, it's still there in the consolidation area, will give us the flat and then they will continue its way to the upside. Okay, so just keep an eye there, watch this 1 hour, how it develops. don't sell the breakout. Okay, that makes no sense. Be a little bit slower. Okay, don't be that fast, you have to be slow, and don't rush into trades without having the setups or flags. Okay, flags will always confirm your direction. Use the Mexican, don't do anything non-tradable, leave them. Sikian breaks down since the morning. Okay, so it's gone. Okay, so this Sikian is gone. Nice spike was there. If you want to take it, wait there, correct, and take again. Okay, take a short sell, watch the previous low. Okay, so they will correct, they always correct. As you can see, they will correct like this, they will correct like this. Okay, they always gives you the correction. So if this gives you there the sideways, then yes, it will be keep on pushing lower. Use Turkish lira, nothing there. Use the Hong Kong dollar, definitely want to see the sell over there. Okay, so watch for your sell stop. This is the good setup. Okay, good setup, and you can keep your eyes there for the strong break to the downside. It could be the nice wave to at least break this low. Okay, use this there. Nothing yet there. Okay, so this needs to correct itself before going lower. Okay, can it also breaks? Yes, there's the flag, and this could go lower and then going higher and then going lower. Okay, so it could give you the flat before it will be totally going lower. Okay, so can it go slower? Yes, this could be all the correction, and we will be heading to the downside. If you have something like this, it will be going back at the previous low. Silver, what the silver is trying to do, there is some reaction. So what this is trying to do, there was some sells. If you took sells from there or there, break even. Okay, put them on break even. It's not good reaction right now what we are having. Let's see. Okay, I will not be a buyer. Okay, so I will still wait for the sell. This could go for some flag over there. Okay, some flag, it could appear something like this, and yeah, if you will pull the trend line over there, we will be still there in this downside. Okay, so this could appear, and then we will be still keep on pushing lower. So watch for your sell stops. I will be buyer only above the trend line. Okay, only above the trend line is where I will be the buyer. Okay, until we are below the trend line, that this is still the sell stop. For more downside, breaking this low. Okay, so I want to see break of the low before we start buying. Gold will start pushing down at any time soon. I think that this is first part of the correction, this is the second one, and there is the third one. Okay, so oops, sorry, you can sell. Okay, you can sell on strong break to downside, sell it, you'll see if it drags lower, congratulations, you have a nice trade. Okay, so this is the better chart. Okay, better chart to watch. Hello Alex. So this is the nice trade to watch. I can see that gold will be dragging lower. Okay, this is the possibility. So it's worth of trying to see how far this flag is about to go. Okay, it's worth of trying to see how far that flag is about to go. Okay, it can just stop there, and then you'll have a break even, so no worries. You are not risking a lot, so go for the trade. Okay, go for the trade. Sugar, nothing there. Okay, so if this stays there, probably tomorrow there will be more sell. For now there's nothing. Oil, I still see the sell stop there. I don't know why the sell stop is still there for me. Break out of this trend line doesn't mean anything, like we've been talking already. Okay, this could be still the buy. Down, up, down, giving us the running flat. One more high and then they will go down. Okay, so I don't recommend you going for this buy over there. Okay, rather wait for a bigger correction before you'll be a buyer. Okay, so don't rush for this trade if you're not experienced enough. UK oil, the momentum is still not there. Okay, so I don't see the momentum there for those buys. Okay, those buys are not having the good momentum. If this cracks there, then yeah, you can have a try with the buy over there, but put your trades immediately on break even if you go for those trades. US 30, this will be keep on pushing lower. So what we are having there on the 1 hour, yeah, there is the flag. This can go lower, but be careful, this could be a bit complicated going lower. Stop there, so no sells there, and then one more high, and then they will go. Okay, so the correction can get complicated there. Okay, correction can get complicated, so don't be too fast, don't jump in this trade. You can only sell below the low. Okay, this is much more safe option to pick. SP 500 dragging lower. Okay, so let me see for bigger picture what the bigger picture is saying. There was a sell stop, nothing yet there. Okay, if this goes sideways near there, take a sell, and all the way back to downside. Okay, so easy, wait for sideways movement, go for the trade. German 30. Okay, so we are still forming the buy stops, go for this buy. Okay, one more buy is there before we will see the sell. Can it breaks down? Yes, but then you have to wait for the correction and you'll take a trade. Okay, easy. What I will do, I will just simply, let me just delete this trend line. I will ignore this buy and I will be waiting for this sell. Okay, just stick to the sell stop. I'm not interested, because if you watch the daily structure, I will be buying at the top, and that's what I don't like. Okay, I don't like to be a buyer there at totally top. If you watch it, this is about to go down at any time soon. Okay, so let me just draw there. This is the reversal pattern which is forming over there, and this is about to break down anytime soon. So rather watch for sell stops. You will have a much more money if you watch for this sell, because potential is there. Okay, something like this could appear really fast from there, so keep an eye there on the German 30. Definitely a sell there. UK 100. Okay, sell stop, you can see it from the plane. Okay, this is the sell stop, and watch for the strong break to the downside. Here it is. Okay, so keep on dragging lower. Good trade. Nasdaq 100, nothing there, no setup. If this stays there today for one more up, then yes. Okay, I'll delete this one. This staying there, you can consider some sells, but there are many other better looking setups, so rather pick the others. Okay, so this is most of it from the indices, commodities, and the forex. So let's see the crypto. Who is there for the crypto? I see that there are some of people only watching for the crypto over there, so we will have a look now what the crypto is trying to do. I think that the crypto needs to shows us exactly right now what the price will do from the spot where it is. Okay, so this consolidation over there on the Bitcoin will be really important, because it will show us what the price will do in the future. For me personally, what I see there and what we've been watching in our academy is this flat over there to appear, and then the price will go lower. Okay, so yesterday we have some spikes to the downside which didn't last longer. Why? Because we were still in the consolidation area, and that was the reason. Okay, so that was the reason why this sell didn't last longer and break out. Okay, so we are still in this consolidation over there, and we have to see now what the price is trying to do. Okay, we have an impulsive wave to the upside, second there, and the third one needs to break above that high. Okay, and then if it stops there, struggles there, then yes, we will be watching for the sell stops. Okay, sell stop is what we will be watching on, and guess what, we will be going down how far? I think we will be going totally down to the 20k. Okay, 20k will be area the Bitcoin will drop in the future, so keep an eye on it. Okay, so keep an eye on it. I do not recommend you open any positions at the moment. Okay, it's too risky right now, and trading in the consolidation makes no sense. You will not make any money, you will just lose your patience, and trust me, you have to save your patience. Okay, you will need it. So don't waste it in the corrections. Corrections are usually big uncertainty, okay, because they can really fast change. So what you have to do is let them do whatever they want to do. Correction going higher, climbing back at this top, breaking this top, and then they will start to reverse. Okay, so easy. Okay, sorry for that. Yeah, correction and then pushing higher. That's the reason why I will not open any trade right now on the crypto. We'll just stay away from it and we'll let them show me. Okay, we'll let them complete, basically, sorry. Let them complete the consolidation and then they will tell me where they will go, okay? They all will go in the direction. But yeah, I'm still much sure that there it will be the sell. Okay, I'm really sure that the Bitcoin will be heading to the downside and we will have a nice sell over there. Okay, so this is what I see on the Bitcoin. Let's see quickly the others, what they are doing. So let me take off everything. Same there. Okay, this one needs also to go for one more high, break this top, and then we'll see what the price is trying to do. Okay, so most of them are having the same setups. Bitcoin, Euro, same there. Okay, so this one going higher, breaking this top, giving us the flag, and then they will go down. Okay, probably how far? Same, you know. The Bitcoin Euro is the same as Bitcoin dollar. So yeah, it's a matter of question. It's just the time. Okay, we need to give it some time before this will complete itself. I think on the Wednesday. Probably on Wednesday we will have a clear sense of the direction. Okay, we'll see on not tomorrow. Wednesday is tomorrow, yeah. So by the end of the week, okay, by the end of the week we will see and we will have a clear sense of the direction on the Bitcoin, because there's the only two part of the correction. So first one, second wave of the correction, and third one is missing. Okay, so third one is the big question. Where is it and how far is it gonna go? And then when this will be about to complete it, then we'll know where is it heading to. Easy. XRP, same there. This may be over already. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 going lower, and as you can see, there was the sell. If you took a sell, break even, close it on break even. It's not moving. There is no momentum, so don't hold the trades that are not going. Break even and you will see what the price is going to do. It's not looking good at the moment. These all are influenced by the Bitcoin, so slow. Okay, so slow. Same there. This to keep on going higher, break those tops, and then we'll see. Okay, so same there, going higher, breaking the top, this top. Okay, so let me just tag it. Okay, this is not a buy stop. This is just to break it and then going lower. Okay, so FIL USDT, this one is struggling. I took a trade yesterday but didn't go far, so break even trade. So what is it trying to do? Let me see. Some sell is trying to appear right there again, but not long term. Okay, not long term. All the trades are now short term. Okay, crypto is really short term, so you will be playing with the money if you will be trading now in these zones. Algo USDT, you can watch for the sell stops. Okay, short term stops. Okay, so sell, take off your profit, and then buy. Okay, this is what the price will do. XLM USDT, these two drag one more low, and then this one has the possibility to keep on dragging lower, so watch for the sell stops. LTC went higher, as you can see that spike is there. This is just complete this structure, and what we are doing right now, this could be the sell over there. This could be the sell, and then keep on pushing lower. ADA USDT, Cardano is quite interesting chart. Okay, so it's still showing some sell setups over there. Okay, if this breaks the downside, then everyone knows where this is heading to. Okay, so sell stop, watch it, keep an eye during the day today. Send USDT, I think this is the buy. Buy, break the top, giving us this flag and then going lower. Okay, so this will also give us some complications over there. So don't rush now. Sushi, I think the buy stop is there. Okay, so this will go for one more high. Yeah, buy stop is already in the making. If you want to go for the short-term buying, take a buy, take off a profit, and then you will see how this will go lower. We already watched the XRP, but let me show it once again. Okay, so you can see it. XRP has the possibility to break lower. Okay, so there is a correction. If you take a sell, break even, and now watch it again. Okay, so this needs some time there to show us the direction. Okay, there's nothing yet right now. It's a confusing one, so give it some time before it will show you the sense of the direction. Okay, there are many other charts that are looking much better, so stay away there for at least today. Okay, we'll see. Sushi, like I've shown you, watch for this sideways, take a buy, short-term buy. That's all what you can take, and this is it. SNX Bitcoin, not Bitcoin USDT, sorry. There was the sell. You are welcome. So this has possibility for one more buy over there. Okay, you see, running flat could be, that could be the running flat, and if that's correct over there, yeah, then you can consider buying it. So be aware, watch for the sideways and take a buy. Okay, possibility exists that this is the running flat. Okay, but wait for the confirmation of the flag and then take the trade to the upside. Dash, what the Dash is doing, definitely a sell stop. Okay, so definitely a sell stop. Let me just take everything off. This is the sell stop. As you can see, how far back at the trend line, so keep an eye there. Okay, so this is the flag which is trying to complete itself over there, and definitely this will be dragging lower. Okay, Dash is a good sell stop to watch. Let's see, 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour, it could be completed one. Okay, so that could be the completed chart, so worth of watching it. Put it on your watch list and see these two keep on dragging lower. Yeah, definitely. Okay, one more high can appear, but don't trade it. Okay, simply skip it, ignore it like it doesn't exist. Just focus for the sell stop. Okay, it needs to go lower. That chart needs to push one more wave to the downside. Nothing there. Okay, there, same there, going back, give us the flat and then going lower. Okay, so they need some more time. This is the sell stop. Let's see what it's trying to do and then sell again. Okay, 1 inch, same there, let it do for the bigger correction and then going lower. When to buy XRP? Definitely not now. Okay, now and tomorrow there will be no time or no decisions to buy the XRP. XRP will not be the long-term buy. Okay, so don't get in too early for the long. Okay, don't buy it. I don't see that the crypto will heading to the upside. Everything now depends on the Bitcoin, so watch the Bitcoin first before you will do anything. But this week I will be there for you. I will update you guys if there will be any setup to take a buy there. On the long term, we will be tracking the Bitcoin and we'll see how it develops. Then we will have a clear sense of the directions on the other pairs. Okay, you have to understand that the crypto it's really influenced by the Bitcoin. So what the Bitcoin will do, the others altcoins will do. Okay, maybe 2 or 3% will not follow the Bitcoin, but the rest will do. Okay, at least 96% of the market will follow the Bitcoin. So that's the reason why we say that the crypto market it's interesting basically. Okay, because they are following one pair, and if you're only spot trader, if you're only spot trading on crypto, then you will have to wait a little bit more. Ocean USDT, sell definitely. Okay, so I can see this is the sell, so keep on watching for the sell stops. These two drag, oh, what was that? this to keep on dragging lower. So if there is any sell stop, not yet. Not yet. Okay, so not yet, but definitely watch for the sell stops. I see that the Bitcoin will go down. Okay, why I see this? Because I can see that the whole market is preparing. All the altcoins are preparing for this sell. Okay, they all are preparing for that sell, and that could be interesting and dangerous for some who are only spot traders there. Okay, so watch this for some break to the downside. Then USDT going higher and then going lower. So yeah, most of them, yeah, they are having the same setup. So let's see quickly there. No, tomorrow is when we will watch the crypto. Okay, tomorrow I think that those setups will be completed. Okay, I hope that tomorrow those setups will be completed, so we will be able to trade anything. Okay, so those who want to go for those short-term risky trades, yeah, you can go. Okay, so you can take those trades. Oh, sorry, I just go to lower. You want to see the correction there and then going for this breaking high. Okay, so if you feel comfortable, if you know what you're doing, and if you know how to exit the trade in case if it's not going, then you can go for those small-term trades. If don't, then don't force the market. Don't force this small buy. This will not last longer, and you are risking much more than you will be making. So that's not a smart decision. So rather wait. Okay, rather wait. Switch to the Forex. There's always something to trade. So yeah, you see, I will not go to all of them. They all if I will quickly show you what they are doing, they all are having this drop, and they all are now there. Okay, you see, the whole crypto market is having this kind of the movement right now. So what we are waiting this one to keep on pushing higher, break those tops, give us the flag over there, and then we will be the sellers again. Okay, so that's the reason, and this is what we are waiting for, and we need to see how it develops before we will know the direction of the market. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay, I will be there. If there's no question, I will slowly end the webinar over there. So no question, this is good. So I was really clear about the explanations. Okay, really good, really well. My traders, I hope the most of my traders took that buy. It gone really nicely. Okay, so it went really nicely, so nice money was there, and you use this as well. Okay, it's going, if it stays sideways, break even. Okay, this is for my traders, they will know what to do. So the others, if you still want to join, just wait for the correction and then keep on more buying. Same there, pound USD correction and more buying. Okay, so follow it. This is it, guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, to contact me. You can send me the direct message there on TradingView. For those who are watching me on YouTube, you can join the Telegram link is below the video. You can join the channel, and there is the pinned message with my contact, and you can send me the private message if you have any questions. You can also send me an email if you go to the website tradewithmaster.eu. the website, it's same below the video. Okay, all the social links are attached below the video, so simply click on the link below, find the email on the website, and you can ask whatever you want. Okay, this is it, guys. Take care, enjoy your day, and be patient and pick the best setups for you. Okay, may the money be with you. Take care, bye bye.